Today I'm gonna show you some of the best places that you can visit on a day trip outside of Yogyakarta. We're here with Vista.
Hi!
The one and only energetic little energy ball. Here we are, ready for another day. And guys, look at where we are starting out. We are far up into the mountains right now, about to head to a beautiful, beautiful waterfall, but just look at this. So you stumbled yourself into Yogyakarta and you're looking for things to do. Do not worry. Today we're going to be visiting two of the most incredible waterfalls, starting with Sungai Mudal. Okay guys, and you know it's a local waterfall when it's only 10,000 Indonesian rupiah to enter, so we're off to a good start. Someone's excited. Oh no! Let's go guys! And then it was time to try out what this region is known for. Oh, it's actually a little bit chilly, but it's amazing. Yes! Woo! How is it?
Wow! Amazing!
This is the life. Going from one destination to the next one. Look at this. Look at the color of the water as well. Okay guys, we're gonna explore a new area. We're going downhill. We have no idea what's down here yet. Bye guys. We're now getting to a very beautiful spot. Oh, that's amazing. Oh yeah. Here we go guys. Okay guys, so the place I'm heading to now, I was there in 2016 on my first backpacking trip throughout Asia, and I'm really excited to go back to that place now. And this has been for so many years when I've been thinking about what are some of the best waterfalls I've ever seen. It has always been in this spot right here. It's just been an image that has been etched to my mind, and we're about to see it again. I'm excited! And as you're walking down those stairs, you are reminded that you are in the middle of a jungle oasis with some of the most turquoise water I've ever seen. To think that it has been 7 years since I was here the first time. It looks a little bit different. I remember it was not as furnished and there was not that much stuff. It was like almost nothing here, and a lot has happened since then. So it's definitely way more known than last time. Last time it was like one of the places where only the locals knew about. So now that seems to be a bit of a different story. It's not like completely mainstream yet, but it's getting there. Okay, so there's no smooth way of going in, so I'm going in like a storm. Oh, okay, here we are. Fuck, that was that deep. Yes. La da 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 da. 5,000 to rent this. So worth it. I'm gonna do it. Normally I get problems with my air if I get water inside, but I feel like I want to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. Let's go. Yeah, it's not too far. But yes. Alright. Let's go guys. 3, 2, 1, go. And after acting like a little kid and enjoying myself, it was time to head off to the next waterfall, which is arguably even more beautiful than this one. This waterfall and this place in general has been just as good as I remember it. I remember it to be like a little bit more turquoise and stuff, but still like extremely beautiful, amazing, clean water. I'm sure I'm swallowed a little bit, and I'm sure I'm gonna be completely fine because it's insanely clean, this water. But now we're gonna head off to another beautiful destination. It's another waterfall, and just to drive up here because we're so far up into the mountains right now. Incredible. And let me tell you that the walk back to the parking is no joke. We're good? Alright.
Yeah.
We're off to the next destination. We don't have internet though.
But I know.
You know, okay. We're good. Let's head out. And if you're planning on driving a scooter here yourself, make sure that you have really good brakes because these hills are not playing around. Okay guys, so that was a bit of a crazy drive getting down there, but we're here at the next destination, which is Kembang, Soka. And it was at this moment I realized a deep amount of gratitude, knowing that I'm living my dream life, and I hope that I can inspire you to go out on your own journey. Look at that! Got another beautiful waterfall here. It's kind of similar to the other one, but it's still like a little bit different. Okay, so Vista is gonna try out the jumping board. We made it about this far in the journey, and now it seems like the sky is opening up. It seems like it's raining, so let's get in here. At least we have roof over our stuff this time. So the other place was bit exposed, but here, oh yeah, is it me or just, this feels even colder. This feels definitely colder than the other place. I don't know, maybe the temperature dropped because it started raining. Look at this, and there he goes. So if you're considering coming here yourself, these places are pretty similar, so I would say pick one of them. Which one would you choose?
What?
Of this one or the last one?
Sungai Mudal is better.
Yeah, that's my thoughts as well, but I'm still really happy that we went here because this is just looking at this stunning view right here. If you have a dream about traveling, just know that I believe in you so much. With my highest value in life being freedom, I wish you no less than a complete and fulfilling life filled with adventures and growth. So this has been our adventure here today. If you are able to drive a motorbike from Yogyakarta, I can highly recommend coming here. It is just a short hour drive up here. It is a little bit steep, but it is something that is truly worth it. At the end of the day, we went to two beautiful places. I think I prefer the first one, but this was also really beautiful. And if you don't want to walk a lot of different places as well, then this is a perfect place as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. We've been here with Vista. Bye bye. Make sure you guys subscribe, as I will be posting a ton of videos from my travels here in Indonesia, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.